Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So my video is about how to apply Zotero for your work. So Zotero is a free open source reference management software designed to help users collect, organize, annotate, cite, and uh, share research materials efficiently. And it's widely used by students, researchers and professionals working with large volume of information sources. So you can see there are two kinds of Zotero. First is Zotero 7 for Windows. This is for the application. All you have to do is just download, and then when it's done, you can move to the Zotero connector. This is for the connector connection with the Google Chrome. Now, if you're when all the downloaded are done, you can see this is the icon of the Zotero. You can see and you can find it directly in your desktop. If you want to move or enter the application of Zotero, you just can click this icon one time or two times. And this is the appearance of the Zotero. I will close the previous article I used. Now, if you want to put the new articles or a new collection, all you have to do is just click for making new collection in this icon. Just click the plus icon over here. You can click one time and you will see there is a column and there is an untitled name for the collection. You can use any name to remind you about your article or journals or document. For example, I will use journal research. Yes, and click read collection. And then let's move to this icon. So this icon will help you to add the articles or the journals or the documents. So I will try to use the first item or the first icon. This icon name is new item. You can click, just click one, and you will see there are so many kind of file, folder, articles. You can choose a book or journal articles, okay, or your citation or reference. Because I want to take a journal article, so I click this journal article. There we go. So when if you want to put the article, you have to fill all this needed or all these things that you need because it will search article research your article automatically and it will appearance in this application because this is gonna take a long time. So I not really using this icon. So I will choose the other one. So let's move to the next icon. It's add item or items by identifier. You will see there are many bit codes. So these bit codes you will found in the article or journals. For example, like a numbers. Mostly we found in the article or journals with the DOI. So I have already prepared the DOIs before. So I will just copy from the article and paste here. And you can just press the enter. Here we go. You will see now there is an article there is an article it's showing up. It's about the practice to writing. It's using a reflective journal with the two authors. Go. So the article that we're using for the OIs is already seen, and you can use. Next, the next icon is add attachment. So this you can click add file. So this icon or this icon will uh, allow you to not only use one article, but more article you can put in this Zotero application. I will choose some articles, for example, Duncan, article from Duncan, then question marks, and one more. It's classroom interactional competence. Click open. I'm waiting for the processing of the Zotero read. Make sure it's already or process and successful. If it's still process and then it's successful, you can see the icon checklist. And when it's done, just close. If it's saved, finish, and you can close. Okay. So the articles that you want to take for the citation and making the reference are the already inside the application. Now let's move to the work or word of your paper. So this is the paper, the example you can see, and you will see the Zotero up there. Okay, you see the Zotero here. So if you click the Zotero, the appearance will show you like the add citation, add bibliography, insert note, and so on. So what you have to do for citation is put the cursor at the end of the sentence or at the end of the paragraph, like this. Okay, I will show first at the end of the sentence. Add citation. But before that, just to make sure, by clicking document preferences, just make sure what the citation style you choose. So mostly students or educators or researcher using APA or American Psychological Association or APA in 7th edition, and click automatically update citation. I use English US, or you can use English UK also. And then click automatically, click OK. So let's try, click add citation here. Just click one and you will see this. Okay, then you will see. So if you think that statement is not from Matlov, you can click this icon Z and click classic view. Just one article that you take to make a citation. Click one for the example. Autoethnography. You see, and don't forget the page for the example, page 8, and click OK. Here we go. And let's move to how at the end of the paragraph. Just put the cursor at the end of paragraph, add or edit citation. Okay, you will see if the sentence or the statement is from Markov, you just click this and enter. Here we go. For the last time, or for the last, yeah, for the last, I will show you again. Click again, add citation, click Z icon, classic view, choose one. I will choose Gletschermans, then page. You can see the page. For example, 9. Okay, then click OK. Here we go. So yeah, this is the how the Zotero works for citation. So you don't have to type manually, right? So let's move to how to make or how to range reference. Uh, type reference first at the end of the paper. Then just click one, add or edit bibliography. Just click this one time. And here we go. The reference will show up at the end of the paper. You can see. So this is how the Zotero works for. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you next video.